Well, there are many ways to get a return from social media. The idea is to understand your target audience, to focus on audience attitudes, beliefs, and values. You see, when you show the audience relevant content to them, they're more likely to engage. And at HVMA Social Media, we use a demographic approach and audience analysis to determine behavior. And we focus on the audience, its activity, interest, and other metrics. We are a data-driven company. So this helps us to deliver the most relevant content and to make the best or right decisions for your daily business activities. And that's how we transform this information into cash.